Hi there, everyone. Hope you're doing great. Tommy Olsson here. I'm just letting you know that my new product, affiliate marketing starter kit, has just launched at Warrior Plus. What it is a step-by-step video training, video tutorial, beginner friendly on how to make money with uploading videos here on YouTube and promoting different products and so on. Like I said, it's very newbie friendly, beginner friendly, it's very easy to follow. And if you're interested to check it out, then the link to my JV page can be found in the description here. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.